Everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, dear students, in the previous class we have discussed about the layers of Earth, that means the interior of the Earth, and we came to know that the Earth consists of several layers. These layers are crust, mantle, and core. The first two layers, that is the crust and mantle, we have discussed. Now the third layer, which is core. Okay, the core is the deepest layer of Earth. The core is situated below the mantle and around the center of Earth with a radius of about 3500 kilometer. Means the depth of the core is near about 3500 kilometer. It is made up of heavy metals such as nickel and iron. So as it is made up of nickel and iron, it is also called Fe. Okay, that is Ni we have picked from nickel and Fe we have picked from ferrum. Okay, which is the elemental name of iron. So the first two alphabets of nickel, that is Ni, and the first two alphabets of ferrum, that is Fe. Okay, they together makes the Fe. It means the core is made up of nickel and iron, that is ferrum. Now, just like the mantle, the core also has two different layers, that is the outer core and the inner core. The temperature of the outer core is about 2200 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of the inner core is 5000 degree Celsius. As the temperature of the core is extremely high, so material inside it is in the molten form. Okay, 5000 degrees Celsius is very hot. Okay, it means it is very hot. So anything present in the core is in liquid state, because at that much high temperature even the iron would melt. Now the next topic which we have to start is rocks and minerals. Now talking about rocks and minerals, what is rock? Okay, so as we all know that the earth crust is made up of various types of rocks. We have studied it in the previous chapter also, our environment. So the earth's crust is made up of various types of rocks. Now what is rock? If you want to describe rock, suppose anyone has asked you that how would you define the rocks, so you can answer that any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth's crust is rock. Okay, now the rocks can be of different shape, size and texture. Rocks are made up of minerals. Now what is minerals? Minerals are natural substances found in the earth crust and contain one or more element. They carry a definite chemical composition and physical property. Means minerals naturally occurring substance, and it is found in the earth crust. The minerals contain one or more element, means एक mineral में एक या एक से ज़्यादा elements हो सकते हैं. Now what are elements? See, elements are substances which we usually found or extract from the minerals, like iron, nickel, cobalt, gold, silver. Okay, all these things are elements. Now the elements carry a definite chemical composition and physical property. एक एलिमेंट का डेफिनेट केमिकल कंपोजिशन और फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी होता है. मीन्स if we are talking about iron and gold, so the basic physical property or the basic difference in the physical property of iron and gold is iron is very hard, okay, and gold is very ductile and malleable. means हम गोल्ड को आसानी से स्ट्रेच करके उसके वायर्स बना सकते हैं, बट आयरन के नहीं बना सकते हैं. ओके, सो दीज थिंग्स आर अपार्ट. ओके, लेट देम गो. वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट द रॉक. नाउ there are three major types of rocks, that is igneous rock. Now the word igneous came from a Latin word ignis, meaning fire. Okay, igneous rocks are basically formed from the molten lava. Okay, they are basically made from molten lava or magma. The second one is sedimentary rock. Sedimentary word came from a Latin word sedimentum, which means settle down. means अब sedimentary rocks का formation कैसे होता है? See, जब सॉइल या फिर और कोई रॉक, सपोज इग्नियस रॉक, ओके, एक के ऊपर एक उनके ऊपर सेडिमेंट डिपॉजिट होते जाते हैं, तो वो हाई प्रेशर में सेडिमेंट्री रॉक बन जाते हैं. एंड द थर्ड वन इज मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक. द मेटामॉर्फिक वर्ड केम फ्रॉम अ ग्रीक वर्ड मेटामॉर्फोज, विच मीन्स चेंज ऑफ फॉर्म. ओके, सो व्हेन इग्नियस एंड सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स कैन चेंज इनटू metamorphic rock under great heat and pressure. For example, clay. Okay, taking example of a clay changes into slate and limestone into marble. means अगर हम clay के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा हीट और प्रेशर अप्लाई करें तो वो चेंज हो जाता है स्लेट में. आफ्टर देन और ज़्यादा प्रेशर होगा तो वो लाइमस्टोन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, और फिर प्रेशर इंक्रीज होगा, हीट इंक्रीज होगा, तो दैट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू मार्बल. ओके, नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द फर्स्ट वन, द इग्नियस रॉक. सो हाउ इग्नियस रॉक इज फॉर्म्ड? व्हेन द मोल्टन मैग्मा कूल्स इट बिकम्स सॉलिड रॉक. thus formed are called igneous rock. They are also called primary rocks. Okay, the igneous rock is also known as primary rock. Now igneous rocks are also of two kinds. The first one is intrusive igneous rock and the second one is extrusive igneous rock. Now what is extrusive igneous rock and what is intrusive igneous rock? Okay, so first I will define extrusive igneous rock. So when the molten lava comes on the earth's surface, it cools down in a very rapid way. Okay, it rapidly cools down and become solid. जब molten lava बाहर अर्थ के सरफेस पे आता है तो ये बहुत ही रैपिडली कूल डाउन हो जाता है. ओके, एंड becomes solid. So the rocks formed in such a way on the crust are called एक्सट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक. मीन्स जब मोल्टन लावा अर्थ सरफेस पर आता है तो ये बहुत जल्दी जो है ठंडा हो करके सॉलिड हो जाता है. तो इससे जो रॉक्स बनती हैं उन्हें हम बोलते हैं एक्सट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक्स. एंड व्हाट इज इंट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक्स? समटाइम्स द मोल्टन मैग्मा कूल्स डाउन डीप इनसाइड द अर्थ क्रस्ट. सॉलिड रॉक्स सो फॉर्म्ड आर कॉल्ड इंट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक्स. मीन्स कभी कभी क्या होता है, जो मोल्टन मैग्मा या फिर मोल्टन लावा होता है वो अर्थ के सरफेस पे नहीं आ पाता है और क्रस्ट के बहुत नीचे, मीन्स अर्थ सरफेस के बहुत नीचे ही वो कूल डाउन होने लगता है, ठंडा होकर के सॉलिड हो जाता है. तो वहाँ पर जो रॉक्स बनती हैं उन्हें हम इंट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक्स बोलते हैं. सो देयर इज़ अ वेरी बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन एक्सट्रूसिव एंड इंट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक. एक्सट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक्स वो होते हैं जब मोल्टन लावा या फिर मैग्मा अर्थ के सरफेस पे आके कूल डाउन होके सॉलिड हो जाता है, उसे हम कहते हैं एक्सट्रूसिव। और इंट्रूसिव क्या होता है, जब वही मोल्टन लावा या मैग्मा अर्थ सरफेस के बहुत नीचे ही ठंडा होकर के सॉलिड में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड intrusive igneous rock. So that's it for today. In the next class we will discuss about the sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. So if you have any kind of doubt or question regarding today's class, you can give me a call or message me through WhatsApp. So that's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.